In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paybis. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come to the official Paybis website. You can use the link down below the description as well as in the pinned comment to actually come on here, and then you'll have to create your account. Now, once you do that, of course, you'll be able to access this member area, and if you don't know how to create your account, you can watch my video on that as well. I have it on my channel. So, once you actually went to the link and then created your account, on here inside the member area, you can click on buy up top left, and then it's going to take you to this buy section over here, where first you have to mark up buy. There we go. And then you want to type in how much you'd like to spend. So let's say I'm going to buy 100 euros of Bitcoin. Here you can then select, of course, how you want to go about this. So you can buy with either cards, PayPal, Revolut, PaySafe, Skrill, bank transfer, or Neteller. Okay, so that's up to you. And then of course you can select your currency up here as well. I'm okay with a card right now and in euros. Down here you can also enter in a promo code in case you have it. I do not right now. And here you'll be able to see how much of Bitcoin you're going to receive. Now here you want to make sure Bitcoin actually is selected. Okay, so select Bitcoin and click over here, and you'll be able to see how much you'll receive, and then you can just go ahead and click on buy Bitcoin. Now, the next step from here is you actually have to select where you want to receive your Bitcoin. You can either receive it to your Paybis wallet, which is accessible up here by clicking wallet, or you can go ahead and connect an external wallet. So let's say you wanted to basically receive Bitcoin to a separate wallet, like for example, Phantom. You can just click on there. For example, in Phantom, you can find Bitcoin, click on receive, and then you will receive your address. Copy it and then paste it in here, so the address of your wallet, and then click on continue. And there we go. After that, you have to go through the payment process. So here I can pay with either Google Pay or new card. I'm going to click on new card right now, and then I'm going to basically fill this in. And after I do this, I can click on pay. I'll go through the verification and then through the payment review. And after the payment is successful, I'll basically have my transaction go through, and then my payout will occur, and I will receive the Bitcoin to my desired wallet. Okay, so that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.